Welcome back. So today in this section, we'll discuss the issue you must have received in your IT career or something like that. There are currently no login servers available to service the login request, or the trust relationship between this workstation and the primary domain failed. Normally, you will get this message while logging on the client system. Yeah, once it's unable to connect the domain server, or the trust relationship between the client and the domain server is broken. Yeah, for that, I believe you must have resolved this issue by unjoin the system from the domain and then reboot the system and then connect back in the domain after and reboot again. Yeah. So, but there is the not recommended solution because after rejoin the system in a domain, you will get a new SID, not the earlier one. So you may face a different kind of permission issue after that also. So I'm gonna show you one liner simple command which you can do that the PowerShell. Yeah, so this is a command you can use that which can fix the trust relationship without rebooting a system. Yeah. So first command we need to run as a test computer secure channel, check its status. Yeah. And the second command need to check and also to repair it with the domain credentials. So let's check on the client system. So right now this is a local admin account. Now we are going to log in with the domain account. So we have created a test account, the name Andrew. Now let's enter his password. For regenerating this problem, I have just paused the domain controller so that it stop responding this kind of request so that you can get the error. Just for the testing, I have done this, but in the real environment, you will get the problems when actually the trust is broken between the client and the servers. So in that case, what we'll do, we'll log in with the local system account and then open the PowerShell. You can search box, then you can open this PowerShell. Run as administrator. Replace. You can click on this icon drop down so that you can get the edit box where you can paste this command. And one more thing, once you copy from here, copy both command here, it's not easy to paste directly in the virtual machine. So you may do one thing, you can just press the cursor here and you can click on the clipboard and then click on the type clipboard text. Whatever the text you have copied in the clipboard, that will be getting written. That is the easy way. So let's run this command test-computer secure channel. So is giving the result that false. Currently not able to communicate with the domain server through the computer secure channel. So that means the domain trust is broken. So that for the repairing, what you can do that you need to run the second command test computer secure channel and with the parameter repair and you must have to use the domain credentials here so that it can allow the client system to reconnect with the domain. Yeah, you can run this second line command by run selection and then it will prompt to enter the domain credential password. So let's enter the domain credential like the key is / and then the administration account name. And then you need to enter this password. Okay. And let's click on OK button. Okay. So it's giving the message supply value for the following parameter is true. So now let's do again run the first command to check is the status. Test computer secure channel is true. So without rejoining the system in domain and without reboot, you can fix the domain trust issue through this single command line of the PowerShell. And the PowerShell is really a very powerful tool. If you are working on the Microsoft technology, learn the basic of PowerShells because script and these things you can get easily from the PowerShell gallery, but you must know that what the command is doing, yeah, so that it cannot hurt your system. So let's see you in the next section.